I am a woman. I was born around 1840. I was born in present-day Chishawasha district of Mashonaland Central in Zimbabwe. My father's name was Chitaura. My father was the younger son of Shaya Chimwe. Shaya Chimwe founded the Wata dynasty in the Upper Mazoe Valley in the late 18th century. I was married and I had 2 daughters and a son. I played a pivotal role in the First Chimurenga Uprising in Zimbabwe. It is believed that at the age of about 44, I was possessed by the Mondoro or ancestral spirit of the oracle Nehanda. My name is Charwe Nyakaskana and I was the spirit medium or Shikiro of the oracle Nehanda.